Hello. Uh, the first question is to tell you about myself. My name is Stanley Huang from China. Now I am an international student studying the Master of Civil Engineering at UW. Before I studied here, I studied the Bachelor of Material Engineering, and my grades is good. Uh, Besides, I worked for a company about 1 year, so I am very confident with my ability of working with others in a team and my professional skills like using CAD or office suits. Uh, I think I can communicate with all kinds of people well because I practice a lot in the university. The second question is describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem. About this question, my ability of technical competence is very good. When I was in work, my company accepted a very large project which needed several departments to work together. I was a member of one team. The task of my team is to use the data from another team so that we can take the process to the next stage. Unfortunately, when we nearly finished the task, I found the components of the equipment were wrong. Faced with the uh, poor situation, I met the project manager and explained my thought to him. Then he held some meeting for all of the for all the teams and discuss the problem. Fortunately, we reached an excellent solution and complete the project before the deadline. The third question is to describe a time where you have worked in a team effectively. For a Chinese student, the opportunities to work with others as a team is very rare. But UW is different from the Chinese university in my experience. Uh, Usually, my role in a team is a recorder, a worker, and to mediate the members. As a recorder, I must to record uh, record the process and some important results of every meeting. As a worker, I would try my best to finish my tasks assigned by the leader. The hardest job is to mediate the members. Based on the different backgrounds of members, there are always some complication about the project or the process happened between members. At this time, I would try my best to let them calm down and raise my suggest how to solve the problem. I think only every members play their roles where the team can work effectively. The fourth question is to give you an example of when you have worked to make a process or situation better or more efficient. I think it is very good for your company to manage various projects. It can help workers to understand other aspects of projects instead of focusing their own parts, so that they can improve their efficiency. Efficiency. Mm, uh, it, from my experience, it is necessary to distribute the roles for the members uh, to improve the efficiency. When I worked in a team, I used the method to let members focus on their own jobs at the first step to improve the efficiency. Another thing which is important is discussion. I think uh, I, when members finish their parts, I would hold some meetings to discuss different opinions about the project, so that we can reach a better or excellent solution to the problems occurs in the project. I think these two steps can help team work effectively. For the last question, I think I have some questions for you. Uh, Firstly, I want to know whether I have the holiday every week, because I want to stay with my family and friends. The family and friends is very important for each person. Secondly, I think I do not understand the position apply you apply very clearly. Can you give me a clear introduction about the position for me, like the part I am responsible, and how can I work with the other members well. The last question is about the salary. I want to know how much I can get when there are no work to do, and there are a lot of work to do. Thank you very much.